Hello, welcome back to Steek This Coffee Cozy workshop. So when we last were here, we did some color work, and you should have finished the top ribbing, bound off the middle section, and finished your piece and bound off all around the edges. And what you're going to be doing is you are going to be looking at your coffee cozy, and you should see 6 columns across the steek side. This white is my crochet reinforcement. It's a little wonky, I apologize. So column 1, column 2, column 3, column 4. We're cutting between columns 3 and 4. Column 5, which now has some crochet reinforcement, and column 6. Now, if you look, what I did here is I took the right leg of column 4 and the left leg of column 5, and I crocheted the crochet reinforcement right there. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to flip this around, and we're going to do it on this side. Okay, so let's pretend that this is column 4, this is column 5, and this is column 6. Again, we're cutting between columns 3 and 4. And we are now going to reinforce with a crochet reinforcement the right leg of column 4 with the left leg of column 5. So it's easiest to start up at the top, and it is a little kludgy in the beginning, I grant you that, but you'll get the hang of it as we go. So I take my starting point across the top 2 stitches. Let me show you. Right across the bound off stitches right there. I take a loop of yarn and I pull it through those 2 stitches, and I also pull it through the loop on my crochet hook. Oh, so I told you it was a little kludgy. It's also hard to make sure you're, I don't know how Very Pink Knits does it. She's kind of amazing because, you know, she makes it look so effortless. So kudos to her. She's probably been doing it a really long time. She probably has somebody, you know, manning the camera for her. I'm kind of alone here with my camera, and I have to keep looking to see if my camera, if my piece is in the lens. And then bring it through, and then bring it through the loop on your crochet hook. Now, I hope you can see this. Here's column 4, and here's column 5. Column 4 is gray, column 5 is purpley. Maybe blue on the camera, but it's definitely not gray. What you're going to do now is you're going to pick up the left leg from column 5 and the right leg from column 4. You're going to draw through a loop. You're going to bring it through both of those, and you're going to bring it through the loop on your crochet hook. Again, both legs, draw through the one on your crochet hook. Both legs, draw through, and now it gets a little bit easier, and you could do it horizontally, and it makes it a little bit easier. Up, and I split my yarn. Let's try that again. That's why my other one's a little wonky, because I'm trying to do this in the camera, and normally I would be doing this a little closer. My hands are kind of far away. So, left leg of column 5, right leg of column 4, trying to pick up that gray right there. Did you see that? Bring your loop over, pull them through, and pull them through again. Okay? So it's kind of easy. And just keep doing that until you finish, and make sure you go through your cast off row as well. Do a couple more just so you could see. you see that there though? You could see where I picked up the gray leg and the blue leg. The gray leg is the right leg of column 4, and the blue leg is the left leg of column 5. And we're going to crochet through them. Pull your yarn through. Try not to split it, which I just did. Let's try that again. Let's try that again. So. Okay, and you should have a nice little crochet chain going on. So go ahead and finish that. Make sure you go through your bind off row, as I said, and next we're gonna cut our work. Okay, see you soon.